Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Take It Simple YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add tags in ClickUp app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the ClickUp app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or home page of the ClickUp apps on in the screen. So now you can see there is a plus icon at the bottom right corner of this home page. So you need to tap on that plus icon. My bad. Now you can see there is a untitled tags, so you can enter your title of the tags in here, and you can also add the description just down below of the tags, and you can also add the assign, which basically means you can assign the people in here by tapping on the add assign. So let me close this one for now, and you can also set the dates, and if you want to customize your text, then you can see there is a 4 option: bold, italic, underline, and another one is cancel or delete. So once you complete all the things, so let me cross this one for now, and there is one more option. So now if you want to add the photos or videos in your tags, then you can simply tap on the attachment icon, which is at the bottom left corner of this section. So let's tap on that attachment icon. So now you can see, let me keep current selection for now, and now you can see there is a upload file option, add videos, and if you want to capture a photos, then you can simply click on the camera icon, and if you want to upload a photo from your gallery, then simply tap on the view gallery. So yeah, once you complete all the things, simply tap on the create, and yeah, you'll be able to add tags in ClickUp successfully. So basically this is how you can add tags in ClickUp app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.